see here. Going to do a box of 2013 Topps Chrome Football. Haven't opened up one of these in a while. All right, we start off with a black refractor, Jimmy Graham, number 2/299. Refractor of Josh Freeman. Blue Wave of Kevin Minter. Marcus Wheaton, Mini. Refractor, London Fletcher, who will, I guess, be retiring at the end of the season. Marquise Goodwin, 86. A Prism Refractor of Theo Riddick, numbered to 260. Refractor of Larry Fitzgerald. Oh, nice. Military Refractor autograph, numbered 4/99, Christine Michael. Gio Bernard, Tall Boy. Cameron Wake, Refractor. Le'Veon Bell, inserts. Military Refractor of Troy Polamalu, number 2/499. Matt Schaub, Refractor. Respect. Another base pack. Refractor of Elvis Dumerville. Geno Smith, inserts. And Elvis Dumerville purple or pink refractor, excuse me, number 2/399. Luke Kuechly, refractor. Die cut of Dion Jordan. Joseph Randall, Mini. Ed Reed, refractor, and we will finish up with a Aaron Dobson 86 retro. All right, John, appreciate it, buddy. Very nice hit on the Christine Michael camo auto, and I'll get right out to you. Later, buddy.